guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you're not, well, welcome back. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys being here, and let's get started on today's video. Quickly, I wanted to add, make sure to find me on TikTok and Instagram, and let's get started. Now, I did want to say that although this is like a PR package, I do buy and use this brand. I have for years, so it's a product and company that I do stand by. I'm screaming! This is so exciting for me! So they sent me this that's on sale for Black Friday. It's $18. It comes in different colors. It's metallic. It's again on sale for $18. And I honestly think this is such a cute gift for any Disney blah 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 lover. This is so freaking cute. So it's actually a jewelry holder, and you can hang like chains from here. It has a little area here, a little area here, and then here. So you can put like your bracelets. Let me show, I can show you guys. But it's so cute. I love this. I take this on my Disney trip in 20 something days to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. But yeah, this is so pretty. I'm in love. It sent me some things to pick out. Let me show you guys. These are actually bracelets. I liked this one just to kind of like stack with the other bracelets. M on it. I got the M for Mickey Mouse. Other bracelets actually don't launch till the 23rd or the 24th, so in a few days. So I will be posting this video after that. They're pizza bracelets. This is Daisy Duck. Mickey. And then lastly is Goofy. Thank you so much to BaubleBar for sending these to me. I'm so excited. I absolutely love their products. If you've been following me on TikTok or Instagram, you absolutely know this to be true. Here's the next package. Time, because I was like, where's this from? So I actually got this from, it's so cute. It says Memories. It's so cute. It says Memories. It has the castle on there, the Walt Disney World castle, and it's pink, so we love that. For me, I should probably do it without this one. So the cool thing about City Pine is that they, you send them an image. Like if I wanted to send them an image of my dog's face, they could just like lightly outline it. And so it's a totally customizable gift, which is so cute. And yeah, this is so adorable. Don't mind the red. The red's kind of like throwing it off, but this is such an adorable sweater. And I like that their gifts are customizable. So make sure to visit City Pine. They're one of the brands that I'm working with. And yeah, I absolutely love this. Today has been such a good day. Like, I'm gonna get emotional, so let's not. Let's open this one. But I did get some other things. These other things aren't PR packages. Like I purchased these myself. And yes, so let me show you guys what I got. I really wanted this last year, and it like sold out so quickly in the parks. And then you can only get it for like an extremely expensive amount. But this is the Fantasyland cardigan. Now I did size up, and now I'm just kind of like regretting life. I don't know, it seems like really big. Too oversized on this one, but I don't know, we'll see. Maybe we can make it work, maybe we can't, but it still has the tags on it. Not that I can return it, but I'm sure I could find somebody who wanted to purchase it if it doesn't work out. It's huge! Like thick, she's thick. She's thick. This is so soft. It's so soft. It's this gingerbread Mickey blanket. The back is all brown, but this is so soft, like I can't even deal. So this is so cute. That's gonna conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys real soon. Thanks.